Alrighty, Charles, got your 347 on the dyno here. Gives you a combination. Got a set of our gas cast heads on. Got some grind hydraulic roller. Got the rear sump oil and forward racing valve covers. We'll go in there and make a run. See what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 422 foot-pounds of torque. Peak torque 436, good and flat. Peak horsepower 435. We're rated at 425, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple other things. When you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card. It's a USB card full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, all tech stuff. Basically, on the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number and some other specs. Flip it over. It's got a QR code. That will take you to some more tech stuff. So I highly recommend watch all this. Have a great day.